If you want to get into real estate without tenants, toilets, and trash, G-Dad's got something for you.
We just launched Passive Investor Pro. Just for this reason, we're active investors. We own over 2,000 units, over $350 million in assets under management. But this is our full-time business. We are what we call vertically integrated. We do this day in and day out. We breathe it. I don't know if it's really safe
This
to
is
breathe
not the
it
best
in
one to
here.
be breathing right now, right?
But what we've done is we've launched this program focused on the passive investor, because what we've seen is passive investors just have a ton of money, and what they want to do is they want to find deals. Well, our three-step framework re-engineers all of that. We want to teach you first and foremost to focus on sponsors. That's the first thing you need to focus on. The second part of our three-step framework is the alignment of interests. Are your interests as a passive investor aligned with the sponsor? And the third one, we're in the deal. How are we going to do all of this? We have one-on-one coaching with our coaches. You're going to get on calls with me. You're going to be touring and going to the Jake and Gino community properties. We have this community, the premier multifamily community in multifamily. You're going to be part of that as well. It's all about learning the framework and implementing the framework. We're going to be there holding your hand.
Gang, as you can see, this is work, okay? Yes. But you still, if you're going to be an investor, you still need to know how to buy right, manage right, and finance right, so you know what good looks like. And that's what we're here to do for you today. Click the link down below. Would love to have you as part of our community.